Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute Valentine shirt. Let's go. Okay, I found this super cute pin on Pinterest of the conversation hearts on a shirt. I found a bunch of different ones. I really liked, a couple different designs. There's kind of some like Taylor Swifty fonts here, but this one is the one I think I'm going to go with. So we're going to see if it costs anything. Usually SVG files are really cheap. Yeah, $2.40. So instead of trying to make my own or try and find ones that will work, I want this exact one, so I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. Okay, now that I've checked out, I'm going to go ahead and download my product. We're going to download the files. Oh, there we go. I need to click on the file to download it. Okay. It has downloaded to a zip file, so I'm going to go ahead and unzip the file. And then now it should be ready to drag over to my desktop. So we want the SVG file. I'm going to drag it over here. And then in Cricut, I'm going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and drag my SVG file over. It's already ready to go. I'm going to call this Candy Hearts. And now it is ready to go. I love buying the images because it's just so much easier. So now all I have to do is size it and cut it and iron it. It's going to be a really easy project. My vinyl is 10 by 12. So let's see if I can make it. Let's do like 9.75 by 10. All right. And then here you can kind of see all of the layers to this, and you can go in and edit things once you purchase them, but I like it just how it is. So I'm going to go ahead and hit make and get my vinyl ready and go. It separated all of the words and the images, so we're going to go back to our canvas, and there's a really easy fix for this. So we're just going to highlight everything. We're going to click combine and weld it. That way it will stay exactly where we want it. Now when I hit make, it should be, yep, all together. Now, since this is iron-on, I do need to turn on the mirror, and now we're ready to cut. All right, let's get our vinyl added to our mat. We're gonna do shiny side down and line up on the grid. This mat is still nice and sticky, so I'm not gonna add masking tape like I normally do. We'll insert our mat and hit the Cricut button. All right, time to take it out and weed the negative space. Now I like to weed this while it's still on the sticky mat because then nothing rolls up. So we're gonna get a nail under the edge and then carefully peel away the negative space. Now it's time to weed all the little bits in between, and then we'll be ready to iron. All right, to iron this, I just use my electric stove top because it's a nice flat heat-proof surface. And I always find that the towel I set down sticks a little bit better if I give it a quick iron. Oops. So now I'm gonna lay my shirt down, make sure it is straight and wrinkle-free. And then I'm gonna take my weeded vinyl and place it where I want it on the shirt. So we'll just go kind of right in the middle here. And then I like to hold it up and just check it. I think that looks pretty good. So then I drape another tea towel over my vinyl, and make sure you use tea towels that you don't care about because they will start to burn and kind of turn brown. So now I'm going to set my iron on it at 400 degrees, set the timer for 40 seconds, and just kind of push and move the iron all over the vinyl, and then we'll check it. Okay. And we'll see if it's ready to peel. Looks like it's close, but not quite yet. So I'm gonna give it another 40 seconds, and then we should be good. There we go. I'm just gonna kind of carefully peel the protective coating off. Oh, it's so cute! So now what I like to do is just do one final quick pass without the heat-proof layer. Don't do it too long on white though, because it will burn and turn kind of tan. So just a quick iron, just make sure everything is set. And there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.